What if I told you some truck engines are still running strong after 20 trips around the Earth? Today, we're revealing 20 indestructible power plants that mechanics pray you'll never discover. Wait until you see number 3. One owner pushed it past 1.2 million miles. These are the 20 engines that simply refuse to die. Starting at number 20 is the Chevrolet 4.3-liter Vortec V6. Built from 1985 to 2014, the 4.3-liter Vortec V6 powered trucks like the S10, Silverado 1500, and GMC Canyon. Based on the 350 V8, it kept the bore and valve train, offering cast-iron durability and up to 290,000 miles. In 1996, it gained sequential fuel injection. Early models made 200 horsepower and 260 pound-feet, while turbocharged Cyclone and Typhoon versions hit 280 horsepower. Phased out in 2014, it's still praised for strength and simplicity. At number 19, Nissan's 5.6-liter V8, used in the Titan, Armada, and Infiniti QX80, is a durable powerhouse. The earlier VQ40DE model, produced between 2004 and 2010, made 317 horsepower, while the VQ56VD, starting in 2011, boosted output to 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet. With direct fuel injection and variable valve timing, it improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. Both versions are known for exceptional durability, lasting 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance, making them ideal for heavy-duty use. Number 18 is Toyota's legendary 3VZ-3L V6 engine, one of the most reliable engines in Toyota's lineup, produced from 1988 to 1997. The Toyota 3.0-liter 3VZ V6 powered the 4Runner, Hilux, and pickups. With a cast-iron block, aluminum heads, and SOHC design, it's simple, durable, and reliable. Making 150 to 190 horsepower and 180 to 200 pound-feet of torque, it's great for towing and off-road use. Known to exceed 300,000 miles, and even 500,000 with care, it balances power, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance, earning its place as one of Toyota's most dependable engines ever. At number 17 is the AMC 4.0-liter Inline Six, cornerstone of Jeep's legacy, powering the Jeep Cherokee XJ from 1987 to 2001. Known for its legendary durability, this engine often surpasses 300,000 miles with minimal issues, making it a favorite for both off-roading and daily driving. Real-world reliability? Owners frequently report smooth performance and strong low-end torque, with one example reaching 350,000 miles before major repairs. It produces 190 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, providing the right balance of power for tough terrain. What's impressive is the engine's simplicity. Fewer complex parts make it easy to maintain and work on. This, combined with its proven reliability and off-road capability, has earned the AMC 4.0-liter a reputation for being one of the best inline six engines ever built. For Jeep enthusiasts, the AMC 4.0-liter inline six remains a symbol of durability, performance, and dependability. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. At number 16 is the Ram Cummins 5.9-liter diesel, a true diesel legend, powering Ram trucks from 1989 to 2007 with unmatched reliability and torque. Known for its exceptional durability, it earned a devoted following, particularly among truck enthusiasts. Both the 12-valve 1989 to 1998 and 24-valve common rail 2003 to 2007 versions developed strong fan bases. The Inline Six design is inherently balanced, featuring a cast-iron block and forged steel connecting rods for maximum strength and durability. The 12-valve models are especially prized for their mechanical simplicity, making them easy to maintain and modify. With proper care, these engines routinely last 300,000 miles or more. The ultimate testament to its toughness is Howard Clayton's 2000 Dodge Ram, which hit an astounding 2.6 million miles, proving the engine's incredible lifespan. The 5.9-liter Cummins sets the benchmark for diesel engine longevity, reliability, and performance, making it one of the best engines ever made. At number 15 is the Chevrolet 6.0-liter V8. Vortec is the definition of rock-solid reliability, powering Chevrolet and GMC trucks from 1999 to 2018. With around 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, it delivers impressive performance in both light-duty and heavy-duty applications, including the Silverado 2500 and Suburban. Owners consistently report impressive durability, with one 2005 model reaching 188,000 miles with zero oil consumption and a 2007 model hitting 250,000 miles with minimal issues. The engine's internal design, part of GM's legendary small block family, makes it highly reliable and able to endure demanding work. The 6.0-liter Vortec also offers modification potential, with enthusiast boosting output to over 500 horsepower without sacrificing reliability. The 2006 Silverado 2500 HD with this engine earned a 4.8 out of 5 reliability rating from KBB, cementing its status as one of the most dependable truck engines ever made. At number 14 is the 5.3-liter V8 Ecotec. Has been Chevrolet's workhorse for over 2 decades, powering the Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 since 1999. Built on the legendary small block Chevy design, it delivers 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque while maintaining better fuel efficiency with active fuel management, direct injection, and variable valve timing. The L83 version, 2015 to 2023, has been widely praised as the most reliable gas engine in any half-ton truck. The 2007 and 2012 models stand out for exceptional dependability, with the 2007 model earning 4 out of 5 reliability stars from Consumer Reports. Despite some lifter failures in earlier models, Chevrolet's continuous refinement, including a 2018 J.D. Power Award for the most dependable full-size pickup, has solidified the 5.3-liter Ecotec3's reputation. With hundreds of thousands still on the road, it remains a true American workhorse, known for its longevity and reliability. At number 13 is the Ford 4.6-liter Modular V8, the epitome of reliability over raw power. Powering F-150s from 1997 to 2004 and again from 2009 to 2010, it earned a reputation for incredible durability rather than performance. Notably, many of these engines surpassed 300,000 miles, especially in Crown Victoria police interceptors that endured extreme abuse yet kept running strong. The cast iron block and near-square cylinder design ensured durability and smooth operation. Equipped with a modular design, fuel injection, and coil-on-plug ignition, it delivered outstanding reliability. Winning Ward's 10 Best Engines 12 times, the 4.6-liter Modular V8 became a symbol of longevity and low-maintenance performance. For those who prioritize durability over horsepower, this engine is a true testament to Ford's engineering philosophy. Slow and steady wins the race. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Next on the list at number 12 is Ford 300 Inline Six. Used in F-Series trucks from 1965 to 1996 and in Echelon vans and early Broncos, this engine earned a reputation as the tractor engine of the F-Series lineup. It was built with a thick cast iron block, 7 main bearings, and a simple overhead valve OHV design, making it incredibly durable and easy to repair. The 300 i6 was all about low-end torque, delivering serious pulling power at just 1,600 RPM. Early models made around 101 horsepower and 283 pound-feet of torque, while later versions climbed to 150 horsepower. In 1987, Ford added fuel injection, boosting both performance and reliability. Thanks to its long-stroke design and heavy-duty construction, many owners easily pushed these engines past 300,000, even 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. It's a true workhorse that defined Ford toughness for over 30 years. At number 11, we've got the Nissan VQ40DE V6, a powerhouse built from 2005 to 2012 for trucks like the Frontier and Titan. While part of Nissan's award-winning VQ engine family, the VQ40DE used a compact 60-degree V6 design, packing serious punch with 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. It featured an aluminum block and heads with a ladder frame structure for extra strength, plus a timing chain instead of a belt for less maintenance. Variable valve timing on both intake and exhaust cams helped deliver smooth power across the RPM range. This engine was built tough, often pushing Frontiers and Titans well past 250,000 miles, and even a million in extreme cases like Brian Murphy's legendary delivery truck. Thanks to smart engineering like a 9.8:1 compression ratio, strong internal components, and great balance between power and efficiency, the VQ40DE remains one of Nissan's most durable engines ever. Next, at number 10, we've got the Beast, the GMC Duramax 6.6-liter V8 turbo diesel, a true legend since it hit the scene in 2001, and it is still in production today. Built to handle serious heavy-duty work, this engine powers GMC Sierras and Chevy Silverado HD trucks, with many examples easily pushing past 500,000 miles. It's built tough with an iron block for strength and aluminum heads to keep weight down. Plus, it uses 6 head bolts per cylinder, a big deal, making sure the heads stay sealed even under extreme boost pressures. The Duramax also features a Bosch common rail fuel injection system, delivering fuel with pinpoint accuracy for better power and efficiency. Early models had some injector issues, but GM quickly sorted it out, and the engine's reputation for durability only grew stronger. If you needed a reliable workhorse that could take a beating and keep going, the Duramax 6.6-liter is still one of the best out there. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Coming in at number 9 is the Toyota 22R Inline 4, the engine that helped build Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability. Produced from 1981 to 1997, it powered the Toyota pickup, Hilux, 4Runner, and even early Tacomas. This 2.4-liter engine was all about simplicity and strength, a cast iron block, aluminum head, and a timing chain built to last the life of the engine. With basic maintenance, it wasn't uncommon to see these motors run well past 300,000 miles, and some even cracked 500,000. The 22R engine, tuned for longevity, made 97 horsepower and 129 pound-feet of torque. Not the fastest, but great for hauling and off-roading. Known for its durability and strong aftermarket support, it's a favorite that refuses to quit. At number 8, we've got the legendary Dodge 5.9-liter V8 Magnum, a workhorse engine that powered Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 trucks from 1992 to 2003, and even showed up in the Dakota from 1997 to 2003. This beast pushed trucks well past 350,000 miles with ease. It cranked out up to 245 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque, perfect for hauling heavy loads without breaking a sweat. The Magnum V8 features a cast iron block, aluminum heads, and a deep skirt engine block design that gave the crankshaft serious support. The 5.9-liter Magnum's oversized bearings and hydraulic roller camshaft reduced friction, boosting its longevity. Though replaced in 2003, its reputation for toughness endures, still trusted by truck owners today. Next, at number 7, we've got the legendary Chevrolet small block V8, an American icon since 1955. This engine powered everything from sports cars to trucks and became the reliable heartbeat of Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras for decades. The most common truck versions were the 5.7-liter and the newer 5.3-liter, both known to push well past 500,000 miles with proper care. Thanks to its compact size, cooling was more efficient, reducing thermal stress, and the pushrod design meant fewer moving parts, translating into bulletproof durability. Produced until 2003, the small block evolved constantly, getting better materials and manufacturing techniques over the years. Whether it was the high-powered LT1 or the fuel-friendly L82, this engine proved its versatility. With over 90 million units built, it's a favorite for restorations, swaps, and custom builds. Even today, it's a legend, a timeless reminder that simple, smart engineering never goes out of style. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Next, at number 6, we've got the reliable Honda 3.5-liter I-VTEC V6, a powerhouse known for its exceptional durability and longevity. Produced from 1997 to the present, this engine has powered models like the Honda Odyssey, Pilot, and Ridgeline, becoming a staple in Honda's lineup. With proper maintenance, the 3.5-liter V6 can easily surpass 300,000 miles, and many owners report even hitting 400,000 miles. Thanks to Honda's engineering, it strikes the perfect balance between power and efficiency, making it a favorite for both daily driving and long-haul trips. The I-VTEC system optimizes fuel efficiency and performance, while its robust design ensures it keeps running strong for years. It's known for its low maintenance requirements and smooth operation, factors that contribute to its legendary reliability. Whether it's tackling daily commutes or heavy-duty driving, this engine continues to prove that Honda's commitment to quality engineering makes it a top choice for those seeking a long-lasting, dependable engine. Coming in at number 5 is the Ford Powerstroke 7.3-liter V8, the diesel engine that made Ford's F250 and F350 Super Duty trucks legendary from 2003 to 2007. Known as the million-mile engine, this powerhouse is still revered by truck enthusiasts. With 275 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque, it's built for heavy towing and hauling. The 7.3-liter features a cast-iron block, forged steel connecting rods, and self-adjusting hydraulic lifters for reduced maintenance. The direct injection system is simpler and more reliable than the complex systems in later Power Stroke engines, making this engine a workhorse for the long haul. Ford produced over 2 million of these engines, and many have surpassed the 500,000-mile mark with minimal issues. If you're after an engine that just keeps going, the 7.3-liter Power Stroke is a top pick, and its legacy still dominates the diesel truck world. At number 4, we have the legendary Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel powering Ram trucks between 2007 and 2021 and making a name for itself with jaw-dropping longevity. This engine has been known to hit 520,000-plus miles. That's like driving from New York to Los Angeles over 173 times. Why diesel? Diesel engines like the 6.7-liter are built stronger, with higher torque and better fuel efficiency, making them perfect for heavy-duty trucks. Found in Ram, 2500, 3500, and even Freightliner and Peterbilt models, this Inline Six engine is simple yet powerful. The 6.7-liter turbo diesel features a cast-iron block, forged steel crankshaft, and gear-driven camshaft for reliability. With 385 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque, it's known for durability, lasting over 500,000 miles with proper care. At number 3 is the 6.6-liter LBZ Duramax V8, one of the most respected diesel engines ever made. Built from 2006 to 2007, the LBZ quickly earned a reputation for outstanding durability. A standout example of its reliability comes from Hugh and Tammy Pennington, who drove their Chevrolet Silverado powered by the LBZ for an incredible 1.2 million miles over 7 years. This impressive feat highlights the engine's long-term durability and performance under stress. The LBZ delivers 360 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, ideal for towing. Its aluminum alloy block reduces weight without losing strength, and the turbo and advanced fuel injection optimize power and efficiency. Though made for just 2 years, its power, reliability, and efficiency make it highly sought after. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Coming up at number 2 is the Toyota 2 UZFE 4.7-liter V8. Produced from 1998 to 2009, the Toyota UZ engine is known for reliability and durability. Found in models like the Sequoia, Land Cruiser, and Tundra, it often exceeds 300,000 miles, with some reaching 400,000. This engine is built with a cast-iron block and aluminum DOHC heads, providing both strength and lightness. Its 32-valve design allows for efficient power delivery, with 271 horsepower and 313 pound-feet of torque, which provides ample towing capacity and acceleration. One of the key reasons for its legendary reputation is its low maintenance needs. It has a timing belt instead of a chain, which needs to be replaced at regular intervals, but besides that, it's known for being incredibly durable and resistant to issues like overheating and oil consumption. Taking the first place on the list is the 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8 turbo diesel. Produced from 2011 to the present, it's one of the best truck engines because of its incredible combination of power, durability, and efficiency. Built for the Ford Super Duty trucks, it delivers up to 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful engines on the market. This sheer muscle allows it to easily handle heavy towing, hauling, and other demanding tasks. What really sets the 6.7-liter Power Stroke apart is its reliability. Known for lasting well over 500,000 miles with proper care, it's designed to endure tough conditions. Its cast-iron block and forged steel crankshaft provide extreme durability, while the turbocharged setup ensures excellent performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. The 6.7-liter Power Stroke also uses a high-pressure common rail injection system, improving fuel delivery and reducing wear on the engine. With all this, it's no surprise this engine is a top choice for heavy-duty work. These 20 engines have set the bar for what true durability means in the truck world. But remember, even the toughest engine needs proper maintenance to reach those legendary mile markers. If you thought these engines were impressive, check out another video about 15 worst truck engines of all time. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. See you in the next video.